obstructive jaundice. You can say obstructive jaundice or surgical jaundice. Surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice or surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice and surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice is a jaundice due to biliary obstruction. 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 This may be partial, complete, or intermittent. It may be partial, complete, and intermittent. Partial obstruction, complete and intermittent. Intermittent jaundice usually in case of CVD stone, and complete jaundice in case of complete ligation of CVD, or partial in case of usually is CVD stricture. CVD stricture. Partial, it is partial passable. Partial bile is passable in the CVD, but in complete there is no passing of bile through CVD in duodenum or intestine. So biliary obstruction, partial, complete, and intermittent. What are the normal metabolism of bilirubin? You can say how bilirubin is formed. How bilirubin is formed? कैसे बनता है बिलिरुबिन? Bilirubin, how bilirubin is formed? Hemoglobin, heme and globin, and heme is converted in biliverdin. क्या होगा? biliverdin, then bilirubin. This bilirubin is which type bilirubin? Conjugated or unconjugated? This one is unconjugated bilirubin. That bilirubin is water insoluble. ये पानी में नहीं घुलता है. That bilirubin is water insoluble. So in case of if it is raised inside the body, then what will happen? If deposited in the fatty layer, so you develop carnic teres. So that is water insoluble bilirubin, and this bilirubin is uptake by hepatocytes. क्या होगा? हेपेटोसाइट्स इसको अपटेक करेगा. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर द अपटेक ऑफ हेपेटोसाइट्स देयर इज अपटेक and there is conjugation, of this unconjugated bilirubin in conjugated bilirubin. After the conjugation in the liver, this bilirubin is secretes in biliary tree. Through after the conjugation, this secretes in biliary tree. Biliary tree में जाने के बाद through the CVD and it goes inside the intestine, right? And in intestine, this conjugated bilirubin, what happened? क्या होगा? ये conjugated bilirubin intestine में क्या होगा? Conjugated bilirubin by the effect of bacterial flora, it stercobilinogen is passes through feces. So color is due to stercobilinogen, yellow color, and this urobilinogen is absorbed and it's returned back to liver. Enterohepatic circulation. वहां से क्या होगा? It goes revert in the liver. urobilinogen, and this urobilinogen also is excreted through kidney, and it also present in the urine. So in case of normal excretion of bile through CBD and in the intestine, and there is a presence of urobilinogen in the urine and also presence of stercobilinogen in feces. So, but in case of obstructive jaundice, if there is obstruction and obstructive jaundice, there is impairment or complete obstruction. Due to the complete obstruction, there is no biliary secretion through this biliary channels. So in this condition, there is complete absence of bile inside the intestine. So there is no urobilinogen and no stercobilinogen. आई बात समझ में? ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होगा ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव जॉन्डिस के केस में, कंप्लीट बाइल आएगा ही नहीं इंटेस्टाइन में. तो जब बाइल आएगा ही नहीं तो देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ यूरोबिलिनोजन इन यूरिन एंड स्टर्कोबिलिनोजन इन फीसेस. इतनी बात समझ में आई? ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हुआ, ये दोनों बंद, तो क्या होगा? इसमें स्टूल का कलर पेल हो जाएगा, व्हाइट, पेल स्टूल, एकदम सफेद. तो पेशेंट अगर कंप्लेन कर रहा है कि देयर इज ए पेल स्टूल, तो आप उससे भी बता सकते हैं कि देयर इज ए ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव जॉन्डिस. ठीक है? सो दिस इज नॉर्मल, दिस वन इज नॉर्मल फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ bilirubin. So daily excretion of urobilinogen, daily excretion of urobilinogen about 200 to 300 milligram, 200 to 300 milligram per day. डेली इतना आपका यूरिन से यूरोबिलिनोजन निकलता है, आपको पता नहीं चलता है. ठीक है? जब इसका लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होगा तब यूरिन का कलर जो है वो येलोइश होना शुरू होता है. ठीक है? एंड डेली एक्सक्रीशन अबाउट द 300 milligram per day stercobilinogen, right? So these are the normal physiology of this, right? What are the causes of obstructive jaundice?